Today is fixing your shutters 101. So let's say you come home from work after a long day and the kids are running around the house and you see a shutter louver hanging loose like this. A lot of times if something hits the louver, the pin that holds it into place should break before louver cracks. So if you do end up seeing this, we do have an easy fix. Give us a call. We can send you a replacement pin that's spring loaded. I don't know if you can see that, but this essentially replaces what has been broken. So you can open your shutter. If the louver is cracked, you can pull the nail out to free it. From the shutter itself. So if it is a whole louver that needs to be replaced, we can do that. If it's just the pin, you still want to get, if there's a piece broken off here, then there's going to be a piece in here. So you would want to pull that out, toss that in the garbage, come into where the shutter is, pull this piece out, toss that, and then your new little spring-loaded piece goes right into the hole. Set your louver back into place, and you're going to push the little plunger in, kind of wiggle it, and you'll hear it pop. So that piece goes back in, and don't lose your screw, and it's going to go right back into the hole, and just push it back to where it's snug, and then you're good to go.